Hi guys, what are you doing? Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat shri akal. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, as the festivals are just around the corner, I got something special for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 DIY masks that are perfect for achieving skin brightening and a radiant glow. These masks are not only natural but also super easy to make at home, making them an ideal addition to your festival prep. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how this mask can be your secret weapon for a radiant and glowing look during the upcoming festivals. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find these DIY masks helpful. So let's get started. For the first mask you need one ripe banana, mash the ripe banana in a bowl until it forms a smooth paste. Two teaspoons of ground oats, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice. This is optional. Add the ground oats and honey to the mashed banana. Mix the ingredients well to create a consistent paste. Now I'm going to apply the mask on my face. Ensure your face is clean and free of makeup. Apply the mixture evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Applying a banana mask can be slightly tricky and messy, so it's better to wear a t-shirt or top that you can easily take off and wash later. Banana is rich in vitamins and minerals that can help brighten the skin and provide a healthy glow. Oats are excellent for exfoliation and are gentle on the skin. Honey provides hydration and a soothing effect. Lemon juice, if added, can contribute to skin brightening due to its vitamin C content. Use this face pack once a week to achieve a brighter complexion. It can be messy during the application, but once it applied, it sticks to your face and you can sit comfortably. Let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and now I'll wash it off and come back to you. I washed my face and I'm back. You can see how soft, nourished and radiant my skin has become. I'm spraying this mist on my face. And now I will apply the moisturizer on my face. I can feel how it has made my skin smoother, plumper and radiant. I really love this banana mask. Use it once a week and witness its magic. Okay, now let's move on to the second mask. For this you need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, besan, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, juice of half a lemon. In a mixing bowl, combine the honey, lemon juice, plain yogurt and gram flour. Mix the ingredients thoroughly to form a smooth paste. Adjust the consistency by adding more gram flour if needed. Ensure your face is clean and free of makeup. Apply it all over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help with acne-prone skin. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which is known for its skin brightening properties. Yogurt provides gentle exfoliation and helps in soothing the skin. Gram flour helps remove dead skin cells and unclogs pores, contributing to a brighter complexion. Let the face pack sit for about 15-20 minutes. Rinse your face with cool water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Now let's move on to the third brightening mask. For this mask you need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of raw milk, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the ingredients until you have a smooth paste. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. Milk contains lactic acid and promoting a brighter complexion. Honey adds moisture and has natural antibacterial properties. Make sure your face is clean and free of makeup. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15-20 minutes or until it dries. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and gently pat it dry with a clean towel. Apply your regular moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Use this face pack once a week to help brighten your skin over time. If you have sensitive skin, be cautious for turmeric as it can sometimes cause temporary staining. Once you will wash your face, you will see the wonderful effect of this mask. So guys, I hope you have found this DIY video helpful. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.